into the grass at all.
Alright guys, we are back at it today and we are doing another trip. So we got the Ram hooked up here and we got our trailer hooked up and we threw the kid's bike on and we got the 450 we're taking up this weekend. And our plans are to get the Jeep and all that stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. You excited about going today, Max?
Yes.
Yeah, me too. So, no projects for us today. We got everything packed up and all that. So, yeah, we just finished. Got about 2 hours of sleep this morning from working last night. And we're ready to go. It took us a little bit longer getting packed up and all that, but I'm gonna make this video short so we can get ripping on the road. Alright. Alright guys, we finally made it here. And just want to state that this is a driveway that we're on. It is a privately owned road. But yeah, we just showed up and we're pretty pumped to get the Jeep running and all that. And we got Eli driving, turning our lights on and off here. We got the whole family with us today. And yeah, our goal is to get that Jeep running, and we gotta see if the old Exploder fires up or not. And hopefully be able to run around on some trails and all that. And then I think old Max back there is ready to tear it up on the dirt bike a little bit. So we're gonna show up and hopefully our Jeep's still there and hopefully it fires up. Is that what you think, buddy? He's a talker. He always knows too when we get on this road that we're finally up here. Oh yeah. Are we here? Hmm? Ooh, the Explorer is looking nice.
It's so soft.
Alright guys, we finally made it. We're gonna get out, say hi to Mike and Kim, and then we're gonna check things out. Oh yeah. What do you think? Oh, dude, that's rotted. That's why that thing's been rotted.
Look at that, man. Stick your hand in there, see if there's any critters.
Oh my. Dude, it goes all the way through. You can see daylight through it.
Oh my
Look
God,
at it.
Huh.
Gosh dang, did someone come and repaint this thing when we were gone? Oh. So much potential left in there.
That's my.
Are all those tires still aired up too?
Yeah, that's gonna be my dune cruiser.
Well, that is nice. You know, it's not as bad as I thought. The seats,
Right?
dude, for the backs. Well, the front, I'd probably call front seat now because the back seat's got a little fungi on there, a little mold action.
Yeah, we'll let the kids ride in the back.
Yeah, they're young, they could take it still. Oh yeah. Now there she is, guys. Our old CJ5. Thank goodness I left the keys in there because I didn't know where I'd put them. But before we do anything, We go help the woman out, get our bags unpacked and all that stuff. So, oh yeah, we'll get back to you guys. Here, we've got our battery back over from the house, and we're gonna go see if what's going on with the Jeep. You got 80 amps going to that battery now?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yep. Boosting it up.
Oh man. Yeah, you let it sit like that for an hour or two, she'll be ready to go. Alright. Woohoo! That is our Chevy 350.
Jesus, dirty.
Yeah, it's filthy. It probably got to smoke a little bit since we oiled some stuff down last winter before we stored it. So we gotta get our battery hooked up with our professional battery holder strap there and get at her. All right, we're hooked up there, and we looked underneath. We didn't see any big leaks. Well, we didn't see any leaks, so nothing that would say that, you know, something happened with any of our gaskets over the winter time. We got our little switch over here. Good to go. Power should be on. Ooh. Hey Max, you want to hold this camera? Something like that. Let's see if it fires up or not. How long it takes for it to fire up. Not promising. Alright, so we found a battery in the garage. Since he's using the charger right now, we don't want to disturb his process. There's watching him out there. Anyways, so we're gonna try this. Eli, come here, buddy. Want to help me start the Jeep? What's he doing out there? Alright. So we're gonna just climb in through the passenger side here. Turn her on. Whew. Biggest thing is this mechanical fuel pump, so we gotta get gas to it. Come on, girl. There we go. Almost. Get out, buddy. Want to get in there? No choke required, boys. Old Holly car gets it done every time. Yay! Oh yeah. Looking good. Looking good. Do it with one hand. I gotta get my jumper cables off. We'll be right back. Alright guys, it's still warming up. So it's sat since last November. We brought it up here to store in November, and it only took a little bit of cranking, and I mean, we didn't put any fuel down the hat. You know, this thing has no choke. And as soon as I got fuel, it fired up, and this thing's always been on point. Still, gotta get up the temp. Alright guys, so we gotta pull her out. We're gonna get the oil changed on it, and we gotta check all our fluids and all that and make sure they're good, and then we're gonna go from there. Oh yeah. Alright, we're getting everything fired up, guys, trying to get everything running. So next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the old Explorer here and put this battery in there and see if we this thing will fire up or not. Alright guys, I don't know if you know, but the key to getting a good connection is putting actually a wood screw in your terminal here, and it gives it a nice tight connection. Didn't even bother tightening up the ground. And we probably should. It's not gonna. We're gonna see if it does. We're gonna see if it starts. We got about a minute 30 before our GoPro dies here, so might as well just see if the old girl fires up. Woo! We got air. Oh, probably 1,000 spiders gonna come out of this thing. Woo! Dang! What a race car! Dang, girl is running good. What a reliable vehicle, Kim. The gift that just keeps on giving. I can't believe it started. Man. Guys, we might as well see if the thing moves. Oh. She's moving, all right. We're gonna take this thing over to the pressure washer and we'll get her all cleaned up. Just letting his bike idle, and they found some mushrooms out there, so they're looking a little bit harder. And we had to switch to the GoPro 7 because our 8, so that media card was filled, and I didn't feel like swapping the cards, so we're just gonna run the 7. But we got the pressure washer over here, and because this thing sat over the winter time, we're gonna get this thing pressure washed out and cleaned up, and then probably maybe get some modifications to do. See what we got to do here. Amazing that this front door opens. It really is.
Yeah, it's open.
Now, it shuts pretty. It shuts nicer than a Jeep door. But this seems pretty stubborn, so I haven't really. It does good from the inside here, but the outside feels like he might screw something up. But that is. Man, that's holding on for dear life there. I don't I don't know how many more trees that girl's got left in her. Dude, look how those hinges are untouched, too. Dear God.
I mean, the force to peel that back.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, real solid ripper. Tell you guys, Ford Explorers are the new trail rigs. Crescent wrench, dude. it's amazing that this thing wasn't slipping. Usually when they get that low, it feels like you're running a heavy stall. Oh, these weren't full ones. What were you running this stuff in? Was it just left over here? Parts Master. I don't see it really mattering much in this thing if we gotta add a little strange in there. All right, we got the light bar on, and we actually wired it in through our headlight here. So whenever we turn our brights on, the LED bar comes on. So that should be pretty good for the trails tonight. We're gonna give it a little test, and should be good. that's a nice fire right there. I like it. Alright guys, a few minutes here, we're gonna get ourselves ready and we're gonna go take a little rip in the Explorer. Should be real nice with the new light bar. Oh, we're on fire! Oh man. Whew. Gosh dang it. You excited about the rip in the Explorer? Oh, I got an eye! Jeez!
Yeah.
Jeez!
More dangerous here by the fire than there is an Explorer.
Golly, you ain't kidding. Alright guys, that's about it for this weekend. We showed you a little bit of everything that we do out here. This was just kind of a warm-up. But yeah, we're gonna leave the quad here, and then we got our Jeep loaded up, truck's packed, and we're about ready to go. So, did you have a good time, Max?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you like ripping your dirt bike out here, don't you?
Yep.
Yep. So, this was just yeah, just a warm-up. But it'll be a lot more fun when we get a little bit more people out here and all that. So it'll be a good time. So I appreciate you guys watching. Hit that like and subscribe.